Chapter 3. Staying Health. Staying healthy involves adopting a holistic approach that encompasses physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Here are some key principles and tips to help you maintain good health. 1. Balanced diet. Eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive consumption of alcohol. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. 2. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week. Incorporate strength training exercises at least 2 days a week. 3. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night to allow your body to rest and recover. 4. Stress management. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or mindfulness. Identify and address sources of stress in your life. 5. Regular health checkups. Visit your healthcare provider for regular checkups and screenings as recommended based on your age and risk factors. 6. Vaccinations. Stay up to date with vaccinations to protect yourself and others from preventable diseases. 7. Hygiene and sanitation. Practice good personal hygiene by washing your hands regularly. Maintain a clean and sanitary living environment. 8. Avoid harmful habits. Quit smoking if you smoke and avoid exposure to secondhand smoke. Limit alcohol consumption or avoid it altogether if you have a history of alcohol-related issues. 9. Safe sex. Practice safe sex to reduce the risk of sexually transmitted infections, STIs. 10. Mental health care. Pay attention to your mental health and seek help if you're experiencing symptoms of anxiety, depression, or other mental health issues. Build a support system of friends and family members you can talk to. 11. Social connections. Maintain social connections and relationships as they play a crucial role in mental and emotional well-being. 12. Positive lifestyle choices. Avoid excessive consumption of caffeine and sugary snacks. Limit screen time and engage in activities that promote mental stimulation. 13. Maintain a healthy weight. Achieve and maintain a healthy body weight through a combination of diet and exercise. 14. Stay informed. Stay informed about health-related topics and follow evidence-based guidelines. 15. Set realistic goals. Set achievable health goals and track your progress. 16. Practice safe habits. Use seatbelts and helmets when necessary. Follow safety guidelines in your workplace and during physical activities. 17. Environmental awareness. Be conscious of environmental factors that can affect your health, such as air and water quality. 18. Stay vaccinated. Keep up with vaccinations, including annual flu shots and any recommended booster shots. Maintaining good health is an ongoing process. What works for one person may not work for another, so it's important to tailor your health practices to your individual needs and circumstances. Consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice and guidance.